Guys, in a quick one, I want to show you how to make your face cleanser, and we're using a Dermalis. Okay, yes, we're using Dermalis because your face might be look rough or having pimples, or you have blemishes in the face, and I mean, just name it. Okay, so that is why I always advise you to use your Dermalis, and even with that, you can promise this Dermalis to become a whitening. Are you getting it? Or become more toning. Are you getting it? But now we just want to leave it the way it is, so that it can clear you and lighten your face, and also clear your pimples, remove dark spot, and like a lot more it does. People often use this yes, people often use it. So it's just a simple logic we use it now. You can see it. You can see it. So it's Dermalis lotion we talking. Are you getting it? That's all. Nothing more. Nothing more. Some people they have the idea that should I miss a lot of things to it? You miss or you don't miss, it's just there already. So you can still promise it with carrot and then put some other items to make it, But me, just watch what I want to do now. I don't want to talk anymore. Let's go to action. Boom. Okay. Very easy. Alright. That's all. Okay. Now what is it? The three. Just put few drops, like let's say take three, then you just put three drops. One, two, three, or four. That's all. We good. You see now? So you might just want to do it. So I think we're done. So that's how to make your face cleanser or your face toner. So subscribe to this channel. Don't forget that we have another channel called AYA. Go subscribe. And then again, in another way around, if you want all these items, so you can always call the number on your screen, and we ship everywhere also. Skincare item, organic item, just dial this number. And we ship to US, UK, Canada, Asia country, Europe, neighboring countries, African neighboring countries, and even in Nigeria, we deliver everywhere. So be honest with us by subscribing. Bye bye.